They've got to go in the oven, right? For how long?
10 minutes.
You've got 7 minutes left.
Yeah, my timing.
So you're going to be late. First course, he's cut pork into small cubes, boiled it, and then he's going to deep fry it so it goes crispy, like Chinese crispy pork. But Chinese crispy pork takes about 4 hours. He's got an hour to do it in. Main course, an octopus with parmesan cheese and mussels and honey-roasted tomatoes. John, what is that? I've never seen anything like this before. It's all out of Oliver's imagination, which I'm fascinated about. I hope it works.
That isn't good.
Doing 2 courses, 8 plates in 75 minutes, it's a bonkers ask. I've definitely got a mountain to climb today. I'm determined to climb it, and I'm hopeful that I'm going to get to the top with a smile on my face. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
Baz, you look quite frantic. Looks like you've got a lot of work to do.
I've got a lot of work to do.
What are you making?
A beef fillet with pom puree, cavallonero, a Madeira sauce, and some crispy onions.
That works.
And then I'm doing a apple and blackberry crumble with English custard. I love these 2 plates of food. These are plates that I serve at home to my family. Crumble is my all-time favourite dessert. I'm cooking it with love today.
If we weren't forced to have social distancing, you'd have got a hug from me then. All right, a crumble with love. I mean, that's it.
My fruit-to-crumble ratio is also questionable.
Whoa, why is it questionable?
I like a 25% fruit, 75% crumble. But I'm going to tone that down a bit today and hopefully go for a 50-50.
Fillet of beef, with some colour on the outside, pink in the middle. Madeira sauce, we want it sticky and shiny and sweet. It's classic cookery. I've not got an issue with it at all. Dessert, an apple and blackberry crumble and custard. Fantastic. We all like a crumble. Crumble to fruit ratio from Baz sounds to me like too much crumble.
All right, so far so good.
Nice. Right, you should be going in another 2 minutes, Magdalena.
Yes.
Magdalena, her first course, Asian glazed salmon served with baby pak choy and herby rice.
The glazed salmon, I think the skin should be crispy. Then getting the glaze right so that it coats the salmon, it can be quite tricky.
The fact that it's herby rice, I'm expecting it to be full of those fresh, vibrant, herby flavours.
Uh-oh. Have you still got some more cooking to do?
Yes, pak choy.
Ah.
Oh, my gosh.
Get everything else on your plate while that cooks, yeah?
Yes.
They've got to go in the oven, right? For how long?
10 minutes.
You've got 7 minutes left.
Yeah, my timing.
So you're going to be late. How long are you going to be?
Another minute.
Oh, they look quite nice in there. Good, happy?
Happy for now.
You're 5 minutes late again, you know that, don't you? Let's go! It's definitely got a gooey centre, but it's a bit too gooey. The inside's still raw. 5 minutes late and the fondant hasn't worked, which is a shame. What this needs is some cream. Well done, all 4 of you, because this is a tough challenge this round. You have done very, very well indeed. We have made a decision. 2 of you are going through to the quarter-final, 2 of you are leaving the competition. Our first quarter-finalist, Jackie.
Ooh.
Well done, Jackie.
Thank you.
The first person leaving us, Oliver. Thanks very much, Oliver. We've got 1 quarter-final place left. Our second quarter-finalist is Baz. Magdalena, it's been a pleasure having you. Thank you.